This is Obsuna. Obsessions. We're so excited. We're really excited. Samgyeopsal. See you later. Ang ganda ng sasakyan, pang lokal. 8. Oh, pwede na to. Sige.
Ito, small.
Okay.
I get too small.
I'll get one. Yo, people, watch me.
Pag yan gutter, tawa ko. Boom!
Kayo pa rin ay nanonood dito sa Obsuna!
Obsession!
Kamusta po kayong lahat? Today, it's my compare's birthday. Yay! And we're here at the Ohana International Korean Barbecue Hot Pot Po and Sushi Bar Restaurant here at Scuba Road, and we're gonna have some fun. And after this, we'll go to bowling. Let's go in. Yay!
안녕하세요. 안녕. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Hey, yes, we rented the entire restaurant. No, we're just kidding. We're the first customer here. It's a buffet Korean restaurant, and we're so excited. We're really excited. We're really excited. Yoo-hoo. At bar area, and this is where the Samgyeopsal is happening. So the Samgyeopsal table. Seryoso si Mars sa pagluluto. Ang tagal maluto. Miss mo yan pagluluto? Oh, sige, ako din. Sasabihin na naman eh. Hindi na naman ako kasama. Silin. Kain kante.
Maingit na naman yun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Ako ng kiss for Daddy. Make a wish. Make a wish. A wish mo na. More cordons daw.
Yay! Yay!
Birthday, girl. Sa pag-text for years. Buti lang nila matagay. 80% serious ako. Ako, CCTV ka doon. Hindi naman nakatusok sa akin.
Okay, so I need to focus on my dinner and stop from vlogging, okay? So I'll see you later. After this, we have to go to a different place. We're gonna go for bowling. See you later. Oh, kita na lang tayo doon ha. Sige. Sige. Pray for it lang, bro. Now the gang is at the Lafayette Lanes, Rayford, and we're gonna have to go and do the bowling. And here is the Celebrator family. You know, this is ito ang pinakamayaman sa aming lahat. Ang ganda ng sasakyan, pang lokal. Yan, di ba friend, yung sasakyan nila pang lokal, kaya masasakyan sa Middle East. Ayun. So, let's go. Get it. There you go. So, nandito na kami sa bowling. Tapos, nag-rent kami ng bowling shoes. Kailangan daw. Okay, the price for the bowling shoes rental is $5. And the fee is $5 per game. So, since we're 9, so we're gonna be needing two lanes to play, and these are the boys, and we're so excited. So we paid for 2 lanes in the beginning, and we'll see how this will turn out. All right, we'll wait. I'm so excited. Welcome to bowling. Kasi old school.
Yes, it's an old school, so you have to get it manually.
Ay, may pa ganon. So, sariling sikap. Okay, so, we're out and we're trying to look for a lighter bowling ball. Size 8 of these are size 10. And it is still quite heavy. These are 8. Pwede na to. Sige.
So small.
Okay.
I get 2 small.
I'll get 1.
One small or one medium?
May medium. Small ka meron?
Ito, small.
Okay, I'll get medium. Okay, I'll get 2. Okay, see you later. I'll get 2 of this. So, ano yung ginagawa natin? Hakot. So ano yung Mars yung ginagawa natin? Naghahakot tayo ng bola. Kasi walang bola. Naghahakot tayo ng bola. Sino yung... Ako na yan? Ay. O sige, start na yan. Oh, wow!
May competition ka, Mars.
Galing! Eto, may seremonya siyang ginagawa. Galing! Yorn! Uwi na tayo, magaling to. Wala. Okay ka na, friend. Sige. Galing! Gagaling pala nitong mga to. Ito ba? Sige. Sige Mars, kaya yan. Hala! Wala na. Ang galing pala nito mag-asawa.
May corn dog tumamay.
Yung pala yung price mo, ha?
Kaya pala motivated.
Ay, galing! Isa na tira. Asawa ko yan. Sige. Very good. Your people okay there? You gotta watch this. Your people watch me.
Pag yan gutter, tawa ko. Bo!
Number one, radio snack bar.
Well,
number one.
It's pretty tiring, and at the same time we're enjoying. We started to enjoy at around 4-5 ish, and now we are getting the niche. We are getting that. So in my league, the lead scorer is Anne. We're halfway through the game. Yeah. Kita ka sa vlog. Si Mars ang galing eh. Galing. Okay, nag-enjoy kayo? Nag-enjoy kayo?
Happy birthday, Luca! Birthday mo, Mars! Birthday niyo, Mars! Thank you! Happy birthday, Luke!
Ay, sandali. Kayo pa rin ay nanonood dito sa Obsuna!